I think it's possibly the weakest of the novice chasers. Itchy Feet and Mr. Fisher are the best of the English. I don't know if William run Faheen here or not. I think if I was still riding, I'd really be encouraging him to run Allaho in the race, but I think he's going to go towards the RSA with him. But yeah, look, if Faheen was to go at 6-1, he's a good price each way, and that's probably 6-1 non-runner no bet, Leon, is it?
It is, Ruby, yeah, 6-1 non-runner no bet, but I'd be more keen to take 5-1 Allaho non-runner no bet, because if he runs in this, he'll absolutely hammer them. It's as simple as that. He's way above Itchy Feet. He's way above Faheen. He's way above anything else in there. And Ruby kind of said that about the RSA. Maybe he'll go to Marsh. I'd love to take a chance in Allaho non-runner no bet.
I think that's good advice, because if Allaho does line up, he'll be favoured. 5-1 is a fair price. Puppy, have you went in this?
I'd probably ride Reserve Tank, dual grade 1 winner over hurdles. His form over fences, albeit he's won a grade 2, has been very disappointing. And we're holding out the hope that he's going to improve in the spring of the year like he did last year. His jumping needs to improve as well. So he's a lot of questions to answer. At 12-1, he's an each way bet. That's all he is on what he's done so far. But I think easy game, if the ground is decent, has a great chance in this race over 2-5. I rode him behind Faheen at the Dublin Racing Festival, and if the ground does dry up, which it could well do, if we start on Tuesday on good to soft ground, it could be very easily good by the Thursday. And he's such a quick jumper, 2 mile 5. I think easy game is a great each way better at 8-1.
Make BoyleSports your number one choice for Cheltenham this year. Money back if second or third to the SP favourite at the Cheltenham Festival. Non-runner no bet on all races at this year's Cheltenham Festival.
But at the moment, I think lost in translation, he handles Cheltenham really well. He's won around the
BoyleSports. This is Cheltenham.